Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what you're going to need for this wrap crop top is that you're going to need fabric, and preferably stretchy fabric so that it would be able to stretch and like hug your body well. And then for the length of the piece of fabric, it's best that you start with 60 inches and then you can just like start cutting your way up, because as you would notice, you have to make sure that you wrap it around your body to be able to get the exact size that would fit your body. So yeah, and it should be maybe 8 inches wide. Yeah, and then you're just going to want to wrap it around your body like so. It has to be a straight long piece so that you would be able to wrap it around your body, and then you just wrap it around your body like I did there. I'm going to insert it as it's slow motion here. Yeah, as you can see, I just wrapped it around my body. And then next thing you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to check the excess that is remaining at the back, because as you know, we did not really measure our bodies to get this length. So you just want to make sure that okay, this is the excess, so that when you're sewing that seam, you would know what to remove and all of that. So the next thing you want to get is the crisscross thing. So you just want to look and just use your eyeball to just check the place that you want the crisscross to start. So as you can see, I'm just pinning it. You just want to be careful so that you don't pin yourself, and then you just want to pin that particular part and then pin the other side as well. And then after you do that, so as you can see, the crisscross side at the top is a little bit too bulky, so I wanted to make sure that I would like reduce the size of it. So I'm just marking where I want to start, like to reduce it. Like I want to mark where the reduction is going to start from. So as you can see, you can just make it at the top there at that particular area, you can see. And then I just did that for the other side as well, and then we're done with the draping slash just trying to like get all the points. And then let's get on to the board. Alright, so as you can see, the pins are still intact, and those are what we need. So those are the points for the crisscross, and that is the point for the like the cutting of like the crisscross at the top to make it less bulky. So let's start with one side, and then we'll just transfer that to the other side. So I decided that I wanted it to be 4 inches instead of 8 inches that it was at the top. So I just marked 4 inches the middle, and then I marked 2 inches at the side and 2 inches at the other side, which was going to give me a total of 4 inches. And then as you can see, I'm just making a straight line from where that where I pinned the point. So as you can see, I'm just making a straight line, and then keep in mind that the pin that you want to draw the line on should be the one that is farthest away from the middle point, because that is the one that is for that part, and then the one that is closest to the midpoint is the one that is for the crisscross to start from. So as you can see, I'm just marking 2 inches just to make it more accurate, because as you can see, I tried to use my hands, but it's just best to just make it more accurate so that the line would be straight and all of that. So I'm just marking 2 inches from the side there, and then I'm also going to mark 2 inches from that other side as well, and then I'm just going to connect it to the 2 inches mark that I created at that other side. So yeah, so the next thing that you're going to want to do after you do that is that you just cut it out, and then you transfer it onto the other side like so, and then you're done with that part of the top. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that the points that you put while you drape the fabric on your body are the same. So as you can see, it was perfect because it was both 12 inches. They were both 12 inches away from the middle point. So yeah, that was how I knew that they were accurate. And then now I just got the straps, so you could just like cut them maybe 2 inches wide, and then just fold them in like so. They don't have to be that long because they're not really going to wrap around, but it depends on your preference if you wanted to really wrap around your body. And then you go and sew them, and then all you need to do is just sew them. Like that's the only sewing part. If not, this would have been like a no sew DIY, but you just have to just tack them, tack the strap at that point that you pinned. So I wanted to add, a little bit of ruching at the back. So I just, sewed a straight stitch and I just gathered. But that is optional. You don't really have to do that if you don't want to do that. And then all you just need to do is just sew this part together. And that is it. You are done with the top. So I tried to make a video of me, showing you how to wear it, but it was just looking to, all over the place. So I just decided to get my mannequin and just, show you how to wear it. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to put it all around your body. You want to make sure that the straps are at the lower side, and then you want to put it around your body and then pull it up near this thing like that, like so. And then you make sure that the middle point, where the ruching is at the middle of your back. And then when you want to do, you just wrap it around your breast a little and just turn it over like so. Like, did you see how I turn it over? And just turn it over, and then you start to adjust, because it's not really it wasn't really tailored to our fit. It's just a wrap crop top, so you have to really adjust it to really fit your body. And then you also have to make sure that the other side of the fabric is not showing, so you just just adjust it and adjust. So yeah, I'm just going to just keep quiet and just show you how I do it. So as you can see from the thumbnail, there's another way to wear it. You could just wear it like as a straight top without the crisscross detailing at the top. So that is just how to do it, as you can see. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you will try to recreate it yourself. It's really fun. It's really easy to make. It's really beginner friendly. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, it helps me know that it helps me know that I'm doing something good. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.